We're heading to the Bailey Bishop Airport in downtown Toronto, but I doubt any flights are operating right now. Everything probably just cancelled. So this is the Norway Park from the other side. I can see some kids are playing and they're screaming. I think it's a very good time for kids. So looks like the airport authority cleaned up this area. It has a little bit less snow. So these are airport shuttles which are free and they go to the Union Station, but looks like nothing is working. I see more shuttles. Most likely they are not going anywhere, but I see some cars are coming, so I'm not sure that there's some flights. I'll see if we can take a look at the board to see. I have a feeling some flights are, operational because a lot of people are coming. But if they haven't canceled the flight yet, most likely they're gonna have to do that at one point. But this is a small airport in downtown Toronto. The big airport is the Toronto Pearson Airport, and a lot of flights got canceled there. So I'm going to see if we can take a look at the flight chart and see how many flights are cancelled, how many flights are working. Okay, so we are entering right now and we're just going to see what's going on. Actually, it's still, oh man, look at that, all like 50, no, it's a 65% cancelled. You can see all those reds, they're cancelled, and the yellows are delayed and cancelled. The other language is French, so it's showing you both in English and French. So arrival and departure, they're all cancelled, or most of them are cancelled. So those on which are not cancelled yet, I think at one point they're going to be cancelled. And this is the airport ferry you can take, but I'm not sure if anything is running here. So this part of the lake, still there's water, look here, and that's Bailey Bishop Airport just across the water. And I see some ducks are swimming, they're having fun right now. And that's the Lake Ontario, but partially frozen here. But the other side we saw, it looks like completely frozen, but this one is partially frozen. And this is where you have to take these elevators to go through the tunnel to go to the airport, but we are not going to head that way. We're just going to exit from this part. Because we tried to video here before, they stopped us at one point, but right now I don't think they're going to say anything because I'm just kind of exiting. And this is our exit point, so let's leave the airport. And here you get taxi. So there's a little park here, I forgot the name. Oh, actually the name is right here, Bathurst Quay Common. So this is just a recently made, newly developed park, very nice. But actually look at this, guys. You cannot even walk here. Look at this, really terrible snow. Okay, so We're just going to cut through here and head to the next station. And you can see here, like, you know, it's very good in summer. You can have a seat, have coffee, and you can enjoy the ambience.